Hello, my name is Steve Bowler, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at quality of service. Specifically in this video, we're going to be taking a look at a feature called Network-Based Application Recognition, otherwise known as NBAR. We're going to be taking a look at how to configure it, what it actually does for us, and how we can verify its configuration with show commands. So first off here, NBAR is used to discover a wide variety of applications and protocols that are running on the interface of the router here. So we're actually going to be seeing traffic. We're going to be running NBAR on router 1, and we're going to be seeing, all the different types of protocols and applications that are coming into router 1's Fast Ethernet 00 interface from router 2. So it's going to allow us to discover all these protocols that are running, and then we can take actions on these protocols that are running. Say, for instance, you want to know, you're seeing a high volume of traffic on a port on your router. Well, you can enable NBAR, and you can actually see what types of traffic these that are actually running here. So you can take a look and see if you're seeing VoIP traffic, web traffic, secure web traffic, telnet traffic, SSH traffic, all different types of traffic. So what we're also going to see here is that NBAR, it supports a lot of different protocols natively to, the iOS or the image that you're running, on your Cisco router. And what we're going to see is that it's actually using what's called a PDLM, a Packet Description Language Module. And basically this is just a file that can be used to extend, or basically you can add on a PDLM file you can load into your flash of your router, and it'll basically allow your router to extend the amount of protocols and applications that it can recognize. And these files, these PDLM files are downloadable via Cisco's web page. But what we're going to see here for this example is we're not going to be using the PDLM. We don't have to download it. What we're going to see is that the router's iOS is already pre-configured with a list of protocols and applications that it can use. So let's go ahead here and get this configuration going. What we're going to do is we're going to have two routers, router 1 and router 2, like I was saying earlier. Router 1 we're going to use as the we're going to run network-based application recognition on router 1. Then between router 1 and 2 we're going to run a couple protocols, and we're going to discover these protocols using NBAR. So let's go ahead under the interfaces here, get the interfaces up and talking. So router 1 we're going to make the .1, router 2 we're going to make, of course, the